like me smoke weed every day. Nigga like me get high all the time.
Me, I'm super
The fuck
high.
up, nigga.
Me, I'm super high.
It's Taylor's.
Me, I'm super high.
One shot, one kill. What the deal? Learn this from my OG. Shit is real. Made niggas, paid niggas. All around. One phone call. It's going down. Click full of psychos. Goon in some tight clothes. Need my paper straight, no typos. Right flows, but really I don't break. I'm in the studio all night. Make sure the shit you call a dream is what I really call my life. From my city, Harlem night, you niggas silly. This the Berg, not Philly. Shout them niggas though, that Willie on them bikes. These niggas fans, they just sit in. Talk about plans they ain't been in. Even rock brands they don't fit in. Ain't gotta go to France, spend 100 bands. Gotta understand, damn, I can't stand fake niggas. Shit, I can't stand fake niggas.
They be talking about shit, they got that shit though.
I can't stand fake niggas. Walk it how I talk it. If I roll it, I'ma spark it. If she bad, I tell her park it. I'ma hit it like a target. Oh shit, he blowing up your phone again. Mustn't let him know you ain't coming home again. Leave that man alone. Could be doing better. Do it on your own. Could be on a jet, flying around the globe. Baby, we gon' smoke the whole zone. Burning kush till our eyes gone. Cell phone by the remote control. When your girlfriends call, they just get the dial tone. Paper wild long. Try to draw the line between personal and business, but these niggas in they feelings like bitches. Mobbing through the trenches, always on the mission. Rules to the game, start the competition. Khalifa Kush keep me high to where I don't wanna speak. Broken jail, two things I don't wanna be. You talk tough, but your clique is nervous. Wash them up, get that quick detergent, then we done with them. It's gotta be somebody to blame. It's a shame, shame, shame. I can't stand fake niggas. Oh, I can't stand fake niggas. Shit, damn, I can't stand fake niggas. What? What? I can't stand fake niggas. None of y'all. I can't stand fake niggas. Fake ass. Niggas. Shit. Dog. Damn. Whoa. Oh, 28 grams. 28. In a bag in my hand. Shit. God. Damn. Man, when my hair get long, y'all niggas in trouble. Just warning you now.